This short story for motivation has gotten 6 million views in 1 year. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals to voiceovers and more. I came across this idea by scrolling on YouTube looking for channel automation ideas. When I found this channel, which is about short stories for motivation, after doing some research, I found the daily to yearly income of this channel, which you can see on your screen. Let's go for it. Okay, your channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. I'm starting out by asking ChatGPT for 50 YouTube channel names. There are so many to choose from. The Motivation Hub. I kind of like this one. Next up, the profile picture. I'm gonna use Canva, a graphic design tool that's really easy for beginners to use. Let's generate a motivation themed profile picture. To finish up the branding, we need a banner. I'm still gonna use Canva, take the profile picture we just made and make a banner. The channel branding is done in less than 5 minutes. Now the real challenge is making the videos. So the first step for you is to target a specific group of people. For me, I want to target someone who is wasting their time on their phone, using social media, and really needs to get after their goals. So I came to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 10 short story ideas for somebody to get motivated and stop wasting time on their phone. But I want it to be read towards the audience as a short story to get them motivated and get out of their head so they can be more productive. As you can see, ChatGPT will give you some ideas. The wake-up call. This story is about a man involved in a car accident caused by distracted driving, and he wakes up and has a wake-up call. I like this because it's a very interesting idea that we can start with. Now that we have a short story idea, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story on that topic. Once it's done writing the story, all you have to do is copy the story, and the next step is to create the voice. Go to 11 Labs. I'm going to use the tool because it's free, and it's using advanced AI technology to generate the voices that sound like a real person. All you have to do is paste the story that you've created using ChatGPT, and then set it for whatever voice you want.
Sophie was a hardworking executive who had built her career from scratch. She had sacrificed her personal life.
Once you've selected your voice, click here and download the audio. Once it's done downloading, just go to PictoryAi and create a free account. If you already have an account, just click on Login. Then click on this one, Edit Videos Using Text, and hit Proceed. Now upload the audio that you've just downloaded from 11 Labs, click on Proceed, and it's going to take a little time. Click on Customize Video. Now you can see the AI has already produced the subtitles. All you have to do is click on Visuals and search for whatever scene you want in your video. You can go to DALL-E 2 and ask it to create a drawing or image of a person addicted to their phone. Copy the image and paste it into the editor. Once you've selected your scene, click on Download Video.
Sophie was a hardworking executive who had built her career from scratch. She had sacrificed her personal life to reach where she was today. She woke up every morning at 5 a.m. and worked till late at night, sometimes even till 1 a.m.
Now we need to create a thumbnail for this video. So for that, we're gonna head back to Canva. I'll put all the links in the description, but just search and click on YouTube thumbnail. From here, you need to upload your image. And you can add some text to make it stand out. So take your time to create your thumbnail, and when you're done, click on share and download the thumbnail from here. Now to upload the video, we need a title and description. For that, paste the story into ChatGPT and ask it to create a title and description. And boom, everything is done by AI. Now go to your channel, click on upload, paste the title and description into your upload, upload the thumbnail, and publish the video. Congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.